Members' reports. Any reports or anything? Obviously, that time of the year, Christmas parties. And
through the chair.
Councillor Williamson.
Last Wednesday, I attended on behalf of His Worship and the District Council at the Taupo District, the Taupo Cadet Units.
Oh yes.
Yep. Inspection and prize giving.
Thank you for that.
And it was very, very enjoyable evening. Graham Hall was promoted to captain, so it's good to see the good turnout. Some the young youth of the town aspiring to join the forces or just gain confidence in things like leadership and things like that. So RSA attended as well. Barry Calder, they presented an award, $500 grant for the most approved. And Don was there, of course. His son is the leader of the unit. So that's what I did last Wednesday.
Thank you very much, John, and received the appropriate recognition in the paper too.
John Williams.
John Williams.
Mentally.
Isn't he in jail? No, yeah, I forgot about the son, didn't they? Yeah. All right.
Excuse me, there's he needs a bell.
I do need a bell. 3 things.
Forget about you down there, too far away.
I know. It's the closest we've got now. It's okay.
Must be something to do with you.
Me? Yeah. To Gareth. Gareth, just want to update Rodney Wilson had asked about the sewer issue in the foreshore at Katoa. Do you know much about that?
Yes, I'm not 100% sure where we're at. No, so, I know we are dealing with it. I know Greg's working on it, but I haven't had an update from him in the recent days to know exactly.
Just give me one when you get a chance. There's one thing. The second one was the signs just gone up. Just a couple of texts while we've been here. People wonder why I'm on the phone. It's all council business. I shoot.
Of course.
But the signs have gone up for the main street, the canopies and the Turangi Mall. The sign probably reads a little bit bad. It says, danger, do not climb, unstable structure, risk of falling. I think what's meant to read is stop them from climbing up and kids falling down, but the locals are reading it that it's unstable, don't walk beneath it. That's how it reads. Do not climb, unstable structure, risk of falling. It's
probably true.
Well, yeah, probably is, but maybe we should reword that. Do not climb, unstable structure.
Well, it says don't climb it.
I know, but and the last thing was the tours of Turangi. Not that I want to get too far into that conversation, Gareth, because we know some sensitive issues around it. ETA got opening. It's just Thursday. It is Thursday, so
What's that for?
Temporarily closed for Turangi for cleaning.
The ones in the car park.
Yeah, the ones by the Mustard City.
Old Intercity.
Sorry?
Oh, where the buses blow.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
So they were closed last Tuesday and then we spread around across
Just a quick question. Who's responsible for the roading up Mapara Road just before Acacia Heights Drive? Us? Someone else?
Council Road, yeah.
Pain in the neck. Who's doing it?
What is it? Oh,
There's a hole in the road and it hasn't been fixed and clunk every day. It's just not fixed properly and I don't know who's doing that.
The suspension reality.
It's not good enough. It's wrecking my wheels.
Dennis?
It's right opposite Acacia Heights Drive, Mapara Road, and it's just been not fixed properly since before I went away. It's been like this about 4 weeks now. So it's like you must find it really.
And the signs are still up as though they're still working on it.
Yes, and it's just a piece of roading about a foot wide. Somebody could fix it. I could probably fix
You've
it.
almost got to stop to go over it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't know who it is, but it's just really annoying. Thank you.
Can I also say that Tong and I have been going through our induction and there's a way to go yet and Tina's organised it for us, but it's been fantastic. The staff are I think they are amazing. So thank you. I've loved every minute of it. It's been great. And there's a wee way to go yet.
Staff will appreciate you coming around too.
Oh, they're so good. They know everything they need to know. So, no, it's been great. Thank you.
Look, it's a big business, a very
hell.
business.
And totally different than the impression out there. You know, everybody complains, but the reality is we've got something very solid to move forward on. And we've got a very capable staff, and we need to tell that story more often, I think. It's great. Thank you.
Well done.
All right, that's fine. So just, yep, moved and seconded, recommendation, members' reports we received, and then he tabled up to Janie. Moved by